Good day, everyone. My name is Banwo Adekunle. I'm the sales manager in TATA International Nigeria. Everybody knows that TATA International Nigeria, we are sole distributors of TATA products, TATA trucks in Nigeria. And we have the ranges of these products. We have the truck from 1 ton truck to 45-ton truck. And we also have the buses from 10-seaters to 60-seaters. And we have a pickup. We have the 4x2 and we have the 4x4, which is petrol and diesel. So we will go outside shortly because we have to run you through the physical presence of all these trucks available. And at the same time, there's a project at hand that I also need you to see. During my introduction, I make mention of the tonnage of trucks that we have. We have the 1-ton truck to 45-ton truck. So the 1-ton to 15-ton is the light trucks, while the 15 tons to 30 tons is the rigid, while the 30 tons to 45 tons is what we call the tractor head. So if, as you can see physically, you can see all the level of trucks that we have: the tractor head, the rigid trucks, and the light trucks. Presently now we have a project at hand. As everybody can see it, this is a project going to MPL. You can see this is a 10 pallet 1618 that is going to help MPL. So we have signed up a contract with Kobe to supply all these trucks to them. So this is the trucks that is on ground that we are ready to move to the final destination. So the 1-ton truck, we are very flexible when we talk about these trucks, because all these trucks comes in cab and chassis. So with cab and chassis, we can construct it in any way, in any form. We can construct it to a refuse compactor. We can also construct it to a 10-seaters for an estate shuttle. So those are the things that we are more advantage of when it comes to trucking. So we are more flexible. And at the same time, as you can see, you can also see these buses. These buses are mainly for churches and government users. So we have the 10-seaters to 60-seaters. So both the 16-seaters, 34-seaters to 60-seaters, they are all available and everybody can see it. They are well occupied. So this, we also have the pickup. The pickup start from 207 DI. This is a single cabin pickup, and this is a diesel engine. They are mainly for generator companies who wants to bring in tools to the back to make sure that they have an effective transportation and better equipment kits. This is a TATA Primer. This is 2428. This is about 30 tons truck, and as I explained, we are more flexible when it comes to design at the back. So most of our customers for this, they are all quarries, they are construction companies. So we all employ everybody to patronize TATA because of the quality of the product that we are putting into the market. So TATA Nigeria is one of the best truck seller in Nigeria as of today. So what you need to do, you don't have any problem. We have the parts available. We have all the necessary things that you need to know about these TATA products. And at the same time, I'm going to run you through our TATA Advantage. Yeah, so for the TATA Advantage, we have 5 years warranty on all these trucks. And 10 free services. And at the same time, we train all our drivers. As you're buying from us, we will train the drivers that is going to use this vehicle. So as I said earlier on, we have a project with MPL that we need to supply all these 1618 palletized trucks. So as you can see here, we have all these drivers ready to move all these vehicles down to MPL. For all the TATA trucks, buses, and pickup that have been introduced earlier, we have what we call the TATA Advantage. All these buses, trucks, from 1 ton to 45 ton, from 10 seaters to 60 seaters, for the 4x4 and the 4x2, they all come with 5 years warranty. And this 5 years warranty covers another thing: engine, electrical, and gear. And we also have free service, 10 times free service from 5,000 kilometers to 50,000 kilometers. And at the same time, we also have a concessionaire package that we give to all our clients. We are going to give all our clients 2 years service parts. 2 years service parts. The service parts are available in all the globes in Nigeria. We have our service center everywhere in Nigeria. You can name it. As you can see physically, there are some drivers that are undergoing training for the supply of MBL, the one that we have with Kobe. For the training of the driver, we can give your driver a quarterly training, because we don't want all our trucks. We don't want, if you don't handle our trucks well, we don't want you to tarnish it, we don't want you to spoil it. So that's why we train our driver. We have to remind you of our service routine. Whenever your truck or your buses or your pickup is ready for service, we have our agency that will call you that your vehicle is due for service. Definitely, once it is due for service, we can come in remotely to service your vehicle. You can bring your vehicle to any of our service center very close to your location, because we are very, very wild when it comes to our service center. We have our service center in 36 states. So we don't have any problem in part availability, in service routine. We don't have any problem. Thank you. In conclusion, why should you patronize TATA International Nigeria? I've run you through the introduction of the products. I've run you through the TATA advantage, which is the warranty and some other trainings, driver training, routine trainings. And there's one more thing that we have edge in. We do rentals, we do leasing, and at the same time we have a finance body called AFCL. Probably maybe you are selling a vehicle for 20 million, for instance. You don't have all the 20 millions. AFCL, we can run you through an AFCL. AFCL can give you up to 70%, then you can pay 30% of equity contribution. So, and at the same time, you have your discussion with AFCL. Once your discussion is true and everything is understood with AFCL, deal is yours. So I want to thank everybody for listening. I want to thank you for your proposed orders. We love you all. Thank you.